How to record your whole screen in OBS Studio. So the first thing you'll need to do is add a scene if you don't have one by pressing the plus button and then OK to add a scene, and then go to sources, press the plus button again, and then you want to add a screen capture from this window here, which is this one right here, display capture. Click on it, and then you can give it a name if you want to and press OK. Now we want to select the capture mode. So I find that Windows 10 1930 is the best. The other one glitches sometimes, so I use this one. Then for the display, you want to select your monitor or your screen that you want to record. So for example, the primary screen here. And then you can choose if you want to capture your cursor or not. And then press OK. And this should start recording your entire screen, as you can see right here. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.